Hey, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on MoonPay with Google Pay. The process is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over MoonPay. Either it is going to be from the desktop or from the mobile version or the mobile phone. What we are going to do basically is going to be very simple. We're going to connect our phone or connect our account to the app, of course. And then we're going basically to choose the crypto that we want to buy. If you're going to be on the desktop like myself right there, you're going to see at the header buy, sell, and swap. You're going to get also some more options in the mobile phone. Also, depending on the region that you have opened your account with, you're going to find also send. So basically on the buy, you're going to select your crypto. As you can see, you can go ahead and click on buy crypto, and then you're going to select what are you going to buy or what do you want to buy. You're going to have all the tokens and assets that you want. You need only to select one of them. So in my case, you're going to find that we are going to choose Bitcoin, and we're going to select the amount of Bitcoin that we want. I'm going to select, for example, 100, and then we're going to click on continue. After that, you're going to add a payment method if you haven't added yet. And if you have added, it is going to demand a proof of address once, I think, per account, and then you're going to be good to go. Now, in my case, I haven't provided a proof of address yet, so it is going to be something unfortunate, but it doesn't mean that everything is off. So here I'm going to back off a little bit or click on back. I have selected the amount. We're going to click on the parameters or the setting gear icon here. Click on it. And from here, we're going to choose the payment method. So when you click on it, it is going to be the same if it is going to be on your phone or if it is going to be on your desktop. But here, the main difference, if you are going to use an Android device, you're going to find normally into the right region. That means that you're not going to be on the region that supports Android, not Android, but Google Pay. You're going to use a VPN, and you're going to find within the payment methods, debit card or credit, PayPal, and also bank transfer. Basically, you're going to find from here Google Pay. You're going to select Google Pay, and then you're going basically to top up your MoonPay balance to buy with it, or you can go ahead and put a direct deposit for it. And with that, you're going to get your $100 worth of Bitcoin. That was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.